Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start our Maths Carnival book 4. Our first chapter is numbers, and by the end of this lesson you will be able to write the number names of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, identify the place value of each digit in whole numbers up to 1 million. And also in this lesson we will learn about national place value system and international place value system. Let's start from page number 8. The topic is numbers up to 1 million. Students, here we have to recall the concept we learned in class 3. Jimbo is asking how many cubes are there? And we can see here two tables are drawn where 5 place values are mentioned: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Jumbo is asking how many cubes are there? There are 6 sets of 1000 cubes, 2 sets of 100 cubes, 3 sets of 10 cubes and 5 ones. And how we can read it? We can write place values on each digit. Here I wrote 1000 on 6, 100, tens and ones on each digit, and we can easily read it: 6,000, 200s and 35. Here this kid is asking what is the greatest 5-digit number, and I wrote 5 nines. Why? Students, you have to remember this hint for finding smallest and greatest numbers. For 1-digit number, we all know that 1 is the smallest 1-digit number and 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. And in this pattern, I will add zeros to find smallest numbers, and I will add 9 to find greatest numbers. In this pattern, we can find easily smallest and greatest numbers in any number of digits. So here we have to find greatest number of 5 digits. So I wrote 9 for 5 times. Same page. This kid is asking how many hundreds are there in 1 lakh. How many hundreds? Yes, 1000 hundreds. And here you can see two answers are given on your page: 100,000 or 1 lakh. Why there are two number names for one number? And here is the reason behind this fact. Yes, there are two place value systems: national and international place value system. And what is the difference between these two systems? Yes, after 10,000s, we use the term lakh in national place value system, and in international place value system, we use the term 100,000s and millions after 10,000s. In national place value system, you can see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then lakhs and 10 lakhs. But in international place value system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. On the next page, there are different examples to read in national and international place value system. Also, they are giving us a hint. Grouping the thousands together separately from the hundreds, tens and ones when writing the numbers help us read them more easily. And one more important thing, you have to remember that 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. And now we will solve the practice zone. As you can see, the first question is write the number names. And here The abacuses are given. First one, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and hundred of thousands. And here I wrote the answer with the help of this abacus. 437,000 and 365. We will write thousands and then we will write hundred, tens and ones. And here I solve the other parts, but you have to solve by yourself first and then match your answer with my answers. And the second question is represent the following numbers in abacus. You have to solve these two questions on your book. And we will solve question number 3 on neat notebook. You have to write CWO, date and day, chapter name, topic and page number, and question number 3 also. The first part is smallest 6-digit number in International Place Value System. As you can see, I draw a table of International Place Value System. I wrote ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. As I told you a hint, you will write 1 on the highest place value and then add zeros to make the required digit number. As we need 6-digit number, so I wrote 1 on the highest place value and then add zeros, 5 zeros on the remaining place values. And now we can easily write it 100,000. Here this is part B, greatest 5-digit number in the National Place Value System. First I draw a place value table. Then I wrote the place values. As I told you, for the greatest number we will write only 9. So we write 9 for 5 times. And then we will write with the help of this table 99,999. And here is the part C, greatest 5-digit even number in the International Place Value System. I draw the same table and I wrote 9s, but 9 is not even number. So I added here 8. Now we can easily write it in verse 99,998. And the part D is greatest 6-digit number whose digits are all different in the International Place Value System. I draw a place value table for International Place Value System. And then I started from 9. Yes, because we want to find greatest 6-digit number. And the other condition is digits should be different. So we write 8, then 7, then 6, then 5 and 4. Now we can easily write in number names 987,654. If you find any difficulty or confusion, you can ask in group. Question number 1 and 2 should be done on your book and question number 3 should be done on your notebook very neatly. Use pencil only. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.